Hi guys, how are you doing? In this tutorial, I'm gonna solve question number 10. February, March, May 17, March 17, variant 2, because it's only one variant. We already have function f of x sketched. The diagram shows the curve of f of x, where is x more than 0. The curve has minimum point at a. Minimum point at a means dy by dx is equal to 0 at this point. Cross x-axis at b and c, it's given that dy by dx it's equal to x minus 2 over x cubed. And the curve passing through a point, find the x-coordinate of a. To get the x-coordinate of a, it's given a represent a minimum, means a is a stationary point, means dy by dx at this point will be 0 because of the tangent at this point parallel to x-axis. By taking dy by dx is equal to 0, 2x minus 2 over x to the power of 3 is equal to 0. By moving to the other side, 2x is equal to divided by x cubed, cross multiply, you will get 2x to the power of 4 is equal to 2. By dividing by 2, x power of 4 is equal to 1. By taking the fourth root for both sides, so x is equal positive or negative 1. It's clear that the x-coordinates of a is a positive value, so negative is rejected. And also it's given here, where is x more than 1? So the final answer is x is equal to 1. He asked to get this rejected. Find part 2, find the value of function to get fx by using integrate. To integrate both sides, we start with dy by dx is equal to x minus 2x to the power of negative 3. Let's now start to integrate. Integrating the left-hand side is y. How to integrate to x? By adding 1 to the power divided by 2. By adding 1, then divided by 2, plus constant of integration. You can simplify y is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus c. How to get c? It's given a point on the curve. Use this point, x and y. Y is 189 divided by 16. X is 4 squared plus 1 over 4 squared plus c. Try to calculate the value of c. 189 over 16 is equal 4 squared 16 plus 1 over 16 plus c. Solve this equation to find the value of c. The left-hand side is 189 divided by 16 minus 16 minus 1 over 16 and simplify to get the value of c. Negative 17 divided by 4. So the final answer, f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 17 divided by 4. Part 3, find the x-coordinate of b and c. B and C, the intersection with x-axis. Intersection with x-axis means solve simultaneous equation of y equals 0 and the equation of the curve. So x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 17 over 4 is equal to 0. You can multiply by x squared 4 to simplify. Multiply the first term by 4x squared will be 4x to the power of 4. Multiplied by 4x squared will be 4. Multiplied by 4x squared will be minus 17x squared. This equation is a quadratic equation, power of 4, but it's written as a quadratic. 17x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. If we remove x squared and write u and u power 4, because 4 is double of 2, so 4u squared minus 17u plus 4 is equal to 0. You can solve this equation by factorization method to get the values of u. If we try to factorize this expression, will be like this: xu minus 4 and u minus 1 times 4 is equal to 0. By finding the values of u equals 4 or u is equal to 4th. U is x squared is equal to 4 by taking square root positive or negative 2, but it's clear that the intersection with x-axis in positive direction and also x is more than 0, so I will use only the positive value. The other side, u will be x squared is equal to 4th by taking square root positive or negative half. Also will use only the positive value. This is x and y. He asked to get the x only. B and c, it's clear from the curve b less than c. So b is half and c is 2. Part 4, he asked to get the area of the shaded by using the integration. You can integrate from b to c, integrate from half to 2. Your answer will be negative. Don't forget to change it to represent the area will be a positive value. So now let us start to integrate. The area of the curve, the area under the curve and the x-axis, start from a to b, the limits, and here f of x by dx or y by dx. You have to write your expression in terms of x. So integrate from half to 2, the limits found before, a and b. Y, write your function, which is x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 17 divided by 4 by dx. Then start to integrate. X squared will add 1 divided by the new power. The next, you have to shift it up first. To integrate it will be negative 2. Now to integrate, we'll add 1 divided by the new power, minus 17 over 4x. Limits from 2, half, and 2. Started to substitute by 2, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 3, plus x, which is 2 to the power of negative 1 divided by negative 1, minus 17 over 4 multiplied by 2, minus substitute by half, half to the power of 3 divided by 3, plus half all to the power of negative 1 divided by negative 1, minus 17 over 4 multiplied by negative half. Simplify your answer, you will get the area under the curve and x-axis simplified. You will get your answer is negative 9 over 4 after simplified, negative 9 over 4, but the area have to be positive, 9 divided by 4. You can check your answer by using the calculator. Done, thank you.